God rightly knows what we need at that particular point in life. That's what I felt today because it's the most needed quote I wanted to read and it just appeared on my screen. You can't start the next chapter of your life if you keep rereading the last one. Do you know why I am saying this? You will know it at the end of this video. For now, let's just start the vlog. My health is not so good in condition. I'm like having some sore throat, body aches and all. I tried to study it yesterday, so I just did 1 hour of video of pathology and I written one custom module which I scored about 25 or something. So I reviewed the same custom module today and I completed 1 more hour of pathology video today and I left 43 minutes. It's still pending. So I thought small step is still a step. I just moved forward and I written another custom module today consisting of entire medicine including all the tags of marrow. If possible, do it guys. It's like I can't say how it is because I felt it very difficult. There are many tricky questions in the custom module and also many acid based disorder questions in this custom module. I loved it. I thought I'll get a good mark, but it's all reverse. Has it ever happened with you that you expected a good mark and it's always the contrary? And if you don't have any expectations and you write the exam just as is, you will get a wonderful mark which you never expected. That happened with me today. As I said, I just watched a BTR video at around 6:45. So I completed 1 more hour, just 43 minutes is left, which I'm tired of doing even that 43 minutes. This is what I keep on talking about in the beginning. If I think about this custom module and the marks I have got now, I can't restart from tomorrow. I'll just get depressed and do nothing. Instead, I have to gain what to do, what change I have to make from tomorrow, and it is the correct lesson for me at the correct point of time. Sometimes we all have that overconfidence that we know that topic. We can realize where we are only by doing these custom modules or maybe GTs. It's not basically a failure tool, it's a learning tool. It's a be happy tool that okay, you are learning even more better than others with this score. So I'm happy.